Hey there, Kaycee here. I'm currently working as an e-commerce manager of Elo & Drive, a US retailer that sells luxury spa items internationally. Elo & Drive just migrated to Shopify from another e-commerce platform, so I'm keen to learn how I'll use Shopify in my day-to-day work. I oversee shipping and fulfillment, rotating products, and ensuring a seamless shopping experience for customers. Because the Shopify admin is the central hub for managing a business, I'll be spending a lot of time here. Let's take a look at how I can best use the admin in my daily operations. A typical day starts with logging in and reviewing the homepage. It's like a snapshot of what's going on with some notifications, upcoming tasks, and even some key metrics about how the store is performing. The sections shown on the left-hand side here are considered front-facing, in that customers will see the final results, whereas settings is considered back-facing and just for staff. Next, I head over to orders to start fulfillment. With high order volume, I use bulk fulfillment to get these out to customers as soon as possible. I also have some products to add for the new fall promotion. I'll quickly add this new robe in all its variants with a CSV bulk import. Next, I make updates to collections as new inventory comes in. This keeps products organized so online shopping is as seamless as possible. As an eCom manager, I gather various reports from my team each week, like metrics on how the spring collection sold in Q2. While I may not interpret the data myself, I'm very comfortable with which metrics are the most important. That way my team can make informed business decisions. And of course, I regularly visit sales channels because that's where all the magic happens. This is where Elo & Drive taps into different platforms to sell their products, including the online store. The online store is where I update the look and feel of Elo & Drive's website, which is influenced by the theme or template selected. Because customers frequently visit pages like FAQ or Contact Us, I make sure that they're accurate with regular reviews and updates. I also know that customers need easy access to this information, which is why a user-friendly navigation menu is top of mind. Typically, I don't visit settings on a daily basis because most of this area doesn't need regular updates. That said, I regularly monitor and review key areas like payment methods, shipping and delivery, locations, domains, and more. And even though there's a lot more to the Shopify admin, I'm primarily responsible for everything shown today. Starting on a new e-commerce platform can feel a little bit daunting, but Shopify Academy is here to set up your team for success, just like it has for me.